Shark Tank moment was massive and it gave you amazing visibility. Do tell us what was your takeaway and how it impacted the brand overall.
Going to Shark Tank is a great validation for any young brand. And in the last 18 months, the brand has grown by 20x. But more importantly, our profitability has improved 7x in the last 7 months.
People have shifted to more organic Ayurvedic methods, right? How would you convince the market to accept something like this that is not Ayurvedic?
Good Monk, it's a seamless blend of traditional wisdom and modern science.
And one of the things we try to avoid is falling to the trap of what is popular.
The working span of Good Monk is around 4 months. Like you need to consume it for a particular time span. What's that particular time span so that you can see the actual result?
Minimum 1 month when you start to see the difference in your body, your energy levels.
What is like the 3 words that should come in my head when I taste it?
Invisible, tasteless, colorless. Because it seamlessly mixes with any food you're having. You don't come to know. It's like smuggling nutrition into your food.
Thank you so much for joining us on this podcast. It's a pleasure to have you both here with us. Good Monk is doing great. And आपका हमने Shark Tank का episode भी देखा था. It was amazing the way you presented your pitch. And to be very honest, I am more curious about कि ये शुरू कैसे हुआ. Good Monk itself is very self-explanatory, but I want to know your journey, both of yours. कि कैसे शुरू हुआ, and I think I have read a little bit about you that you were in a corporate job, you were working. So ये frustration था जो corporate job को छोड़ने का या फिर you wanted to start something of your own, that's why you started it?
Hi, Sonani. Glad to be here. I think it's a combination of factors.
Yeah.
It's never one thing which basically, would push you to actually live a very comfortable life, right? When you're in a corporate job, after 22 years, you are at a certain level in the organization, you have a certain lifestyle which you are used to, etc. And to bitch all of that and to start from zero, obviously, a lot of forces need to come together. So, in my case, and actually for both of us, right, because it was a huge change in our mindset and in our life per se. But I would think that the most important driving factor was what happened at home during COVID, right? During COVID, we found that I had an opportunity to watch my kids a lot closely. Sahiba, if she was a homemaker, she would always be taking care of the family. But for the first time during COVID, I saw that how difficult was it to feed kids healthy. And the kind of debates, which would happen on the dining table and the arguments, कि यार ये नहीं खाएंगे, logic के साथ. And ये अच्छा
So kids give you logic.
teenager logic is toughest one to argue. अभी शायद चैट जीपीटी से कुछ अच्छे जवाब मिल जाए, लेकिन that also they will trump you.
Yeah.
So we were just realizing that the more we were explaining,
Yeah.
the more it was becoming difficult to convince them. Because, that's that age, right? So yeah, doing that, the circumstances were going up like this that we realized that the elder one had a lot of nutrition issues and health issues. And that's where Saiba in one of these moments said, यार ये ना मैं इनके खाने में हमेशा मिला देती थी कभी वेजिटेबल्स को भी ड्राई फ्रूट थी, अब नहीं कर पा रहे, तो व्हाई डोंट वी मेक समथिंग जो इनके खाने में डाल दें और बस न्यूट्रिशन सारा मिल जाए. एंड इट सीम्ड लाइक अ वेरी इनोक्यूअस स्टेटमेंट इन दैट टिपिकल पेरेंट फ्रस्ट्रेशन वाला मोमेंट के अंदर, बट ही जस्ट फेल्ट दैट मे बी देयर इज समथिंग देयर फॉर अस टू वर्क अराउंड. या एंड दैट वाज the genesis of this idea.
Amazing. And if you have to explain Good Monk to a 10-year-old, how would you do that, Saiba?
Okay, firstly, thanks, Sohani, for having us over. So, I think मुझे ये 10-year-old के बच्चे को समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I need to explain it to his mother. Because I feel कि it's the mother who has to give the nutrition to her child. तो क्योंकि Good Monk है ही प्रोडक्ट ऐसा जो कि इजीली खाने में मिक्स हो जाता है and it doesn't change the color or taste of the food. Try to not come to know that you've added anything to your food. एक बार मदर को समझ में आ गया कि आपको उससे इतना न्यूट्रिशन मिल रहा है एंड मदर इज लाइक सुपर एक्साइटेड कि चलो यार मैं बच्चों के खाने में ये मिक्स कर देती हूँ और बच्चे को पता भी नहीं चलेगा. गिविंग यू ऑल द मल्टीविटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स, प्रोबायोटिक्स मिल रहा है इतना. सो एक बार मदर को समझ में आ गया, नो आई थिंक बच्चे को समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
तो डू यू हैव योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट दिस, लाइक जैसे आपने बोला कि इट ब्लेंड्स वेरी वेल विद द फूड, इट डजंट चेंज द कलर एंड डजंट टेस्ट दैट कि कुछ मिला है, तो क्या आपका ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस है कि आपने अपने बच्चे को कुछ देने का ट्राई करा दैट चेंज द कलर एंड टेस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ व्हिच दैट यू मेंशन दैट योर किड डजंट कंज्यूम समथिंग, सो ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस है आपका जो आपने कोविड में ट्राई करा हो एंड योर किड रिफ्यूज टू ईट दैट?
या सो आई वुड से कि जैसे कि आई थिंक सारी मदर्स ट्राई करती हैं कि कभी ड्राई फ्रूट डाल के कूट के दीज के भी यू नो एड इट टू देयर परांठास और मिल्क शेक्स आई थिंक
But they do taste good.
yeah yeah they taste yummy.
Yeah.
So I would mix green vegetables like spinach or या मेथी के पीस के ग्राइंड आती उनके खाने में डाल दिया. So that is when they would find out कि यार इसमें तो कुछ अलग है. Why यार my pasta or my paranthas भी. So that is when they found out कि अच्छा मम्मा ने कुछ तो मिक्स करा है. मेरा पास्ता ग्रीन क्यों लगा? ग्रीन क्यों है? पास्ता तो ग्रीन नहीं है. There's something definitely different here.
Yeah.
So
So that's amazing. But एक चीज है like अभी currently or I would say for the past few years, primarily after COVID, people have shifted to more organic Ayurvedic methods, right? Even the foreign country people are coming to yogic methods. So how would you convince the market to accept something like this that is not Ayurvedic or does not belong to very traditional roots?
So, Good Monk, it's a seamless blend of traditional wisdom and modern science.
Okay.
So it is inspired by, I can say, kitchen, traditional kitchen hacks like how in summers we have buttermilk,
Yeah.
in the summer heat, and turmeric milk
Yeah.
to keep ourselves warm. So similarly, Good Monk can it is also fortifying your daily meals with essential nutrients.
Okay.
So rather than competing with traditional wisdom, it is leveraging the traditional hacks to make your food more nutritious and healthy.
That does make sense. But
Yeah.
like, tell me this, Amanpreet, like, what is something you'd say कि like आपका जो first time consumer था, like the first consumer आप इसे try करो, वो try करवाने का क्या experience था and how did you break that resistance of that customer?
Sure. So I'll give this answer in two parts. So
Yeah.
पहला तो while Saiba was mentioning about this what kids के खाने में कुछ जब mix करते थे तो मुझे पता याद है जब हमारा पहले जब प्रोडक्ट बना रहे थे हम लोग एंड वो पायलट स्टेज में था अभी
Okay.
लॉन्च नहीं हुआ था इट वाज स्टिल इन द R&D stage and we were finalizing. So my elder son is, as Saiba said, is very picky. I remember he came from school and हमने he was having some snacks and हमने उसके snacks में mix कर दिया था and हम इसको बताया नहीं and both of us were standing behind the door watching him. इसको पता चलता है कि नहीं चलता है
Yeah.
and I didn't couldn't guess it.
So your first customer.
First customer was that as our son
Tried and tested at home.
Taturi. Actually, we had the product before launch for 4 months.
Oh, okay.
Between our friends and family, we
Hmm.
gave it to everybody because we really wanted to be very sure about this whole no taste and color, smell and texture, and also we want to be very sure that जिस साइंस की इफेक्टिवनेस को लेके हमने प्रोडक्ट बनाया है वो उसके सिम्टम्स उसके पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट दिखने चाहिए. That is what we saw in the first 4 months of testing it out.
Oh, okay.
That's then only we launched the product.
You wanted to be sure of it.
And I need to be very sure. In fact, that's one of the things I want to say also about this whole Ayurveda and traditional wisdom point. Right? So the way we've constructed Good Monk is we've kept the most important thing is about efficacy,
Okay.
right? And one of the things we try to avoid is fall into the trap of what is popular today, right? Because I think सोनी क्या हो रहा है कि जो आज पॉपुलर है वो कल नहीं है, कल है वो परसों नहीं है, टाइप करके. बट अल्टीमेटली कोई भी कंज्यूमर चाहे वो मदर है चाहे वो कोई एल्डरली है हमारा प्रोडक्ट जो लेते हैं, राइट, वाई आर दे बाइंग इट? बिकॉज देर इज़ अ नीड. उनको किसी को एनर्जी की कमी है, किसी को गट की प्रॉब्लम है, किसी को इम्यूनिटी का इशू है. सो फाइनली द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज अ ब्रांड वी हैव इज दैट हमारा प्रोडक्ट अगर वो लेते हैं तो उनको प्रोडक्ट इफेक्टिवली उनकी हेल्थ सिचुएशन को इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए. And that is what we kept in mind in terms of design of the product, right?
Okay.
So, if there is a nutrient which is best available in Ayurveda, we'll take that nutrient from Ayurveda. If that nutrient is best available from, let's say, the vitamin and supplement space, we take it from there. If it is best available from probiotic world, we'll take it from there. So we are focused on building products which are clean, very effective,
Yeah.
right? But still easy to use. Okay, as a mother, and as parents, we can easily slip into dating.
Yeah, it becomes easy for you, to mix also. And for for a particular reason, I think I don't know if it's true or not, but there are a lot of kids who are very picky about what they eat, even in their snacks. Like even if they are having chocolate, they want dark chocolate or milk chocolate, right? So I think that caters a lot of, like you are helping a lot of parents with this. There was a tag that you gave, smuggling nutrients. It was amazing because you never have to tell them that you are actually having a good thing. You can just enjoy your meal whilst you are getting nutrients, and that's a great thing that you have started. Talking about this, Shark Tank moment was massive and it gave you amazing visibility. Do tell us what was your takeaway and how like it impacted the brand overall.
I think you going to Shark Tank is a great validation
Yeah.
for any young brand, right? I mean, the Sharks are there; they've done it in their lifespans. They've built some very iconic brands and companies. So, to be able to stand in front of them and talk about, while the episode which gets aired is only 15-20 minutes,
Yeah.
the reality is it's almost 1.5 hour non-stop questioning and discussion,
Yeah.
sampling and etc. So it's a high-powered engagement which happens. So I think two things. One, we were very excited with the validation we got from a lot of sharks per se, but also we got a lot of feedback from sharks. And जो एक मेन फीडबैक की वो थी हमारी मार्केटिंग एफिशिएंसी फेयर मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट के ऊपर. So we actually took that back in a very serious way, and we went back and we started to discuss internally अब हमको क्या चीज़ें improve करनी चाहिए in terms of our marketing efficiency, etc. And the reality is that in the last 18 months, the brand has grown by 20x, right? But more importantly, our profitability has improved 7x in the last 7 months.
That's amazing. That's
Right,
amazing.
so-
Many congratulations to that.
Thank you for that. And I think a bit of the reflection from Shark Tank, was very important for us
Yeah.
because we felt that he raised some very pertinent questions, and we should go back and really work hard on solving those problems.
Amazing. And when I saw the pitch now, you dressed up and tell me like how did you come up with this? I really want to know the story behind that.
I think मेरे शायद बचपन के कुछ अनुमान हो गए I think के जो कभी हुए ठीक है. I thought चलो Shark Tank भी कर लेते हैं. No, but jokes apart, I think what we felt was that our product is almost. I mean, I remember when we had gone and met a lot of mothers
Yeah.
across the country, and जब हमने उनको बोला कि यार हम एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे कि आप अपनी फैमिली को दे सकते हैं और उनको इतना सारा न्यूट्रिशन मिलेगा और उनको पता भी नहीं चलेगा और उसमें कोई शुगर भी नहीं है, उसमें कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव भी नहीं है. He said ये सोचो कोई मैजिक ही होगा, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
Yeah.
So that's where I think this whole idea of
Having a genie.
both like it's a magical thing.
Yeah.
So we felt कि why don't we kind of bring it
Yeah.
life in like a genie and a mother.
But a very interactive pitch, I must say. One of the most, I would say, creative and very interactive pitch. But there's also one thing, like बहुत सारे Indians में ये चीज़ है कि we Indians, to be very honest, are very criticism. We carry a lot of criticism for foreigners also that they have a lot of deficiency in themselves, and हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा sun है, so we have vitamin D access. They get sun for 3 months only, and they get vitamin D then only. So, but I think in Indians there are a lot of deficiencies when you talk about nutrients, and they do not look into their own selves. To be very honest. So, tell me about this. Whilst you were crafting this, what is one nutrient that you think Indians or the Indian, the tribe of Indians do not have, and how is Good Monk is filling this up, Sahiba?
So, Honey, there's not only one nutrient which is lacking in Indian diet and Indian people.
Yeah.
I would say there are around three.
Okay.
Like we did a study, we went through a lot of data when we were making Good Monk, and we found out there are like three key nutrients which are lacking in Indian people. That is vitamin D, vitamin B12 and iron. So जब हम लोगों ने चेक करा और स्टडी करी, हमने काफ़ी सारी स्टडीज के थ्रू हम लोग गए, हमने देखा अकॉर्डिंग टू द ICMR data also we found out that vitamin D और B12 जो कि हम लोग को लगता है कि मतलब
हमें मिल रहे
you know the nutrition deficiency होगी, it is more in the upper class rather than compared to the the lower class people. It is more prevalent, and because we are more used to living indoors, ACs में काम करना, ICs में खेलना, जहाँ भी जा रही
just thinking once एक बार winters में बाहर बैठ जाओ तो हमें विटामिन डी मिल जाएगा, that won't work.
yeah. So, and when we did our clinicals also, the we did a 4-month clinical with Aframax, and then we used these products for a group of different people.
Yeah.
There were people who were anemic also. So we had actually taken those the group of people also because we wanted to see how it is going to help them. And in a period of 4 months, we saw that people who were anemic also became normal after consuming Zikwan for 4 months.
They got normal levels.
Normal levels, yeah.
Amazing.
Not only iron, but vitamin D and B12 also became fine. And this was also done amongst many different age groups, for teenagers, for children, for older people as well. Yeah.
So, like, the working span of Good Monk is around 4 months. Like, you need to consume it for a particular time span. What's that particular time span so that you can see the actual results?
So, I would say minimum 1 month.
Okay.
Yeah, minimum 1 month when you start to see the difference in your body, your energy level. So, first difference जो आपको आपकी body में दिखाई देता है वो energy में पता चलता है. You start to see a lot of difference, that you will become more active, more energetic. And then slowly आपका gut health improve होगा because हमने इसमें probiotics डाले हैं, fiber डाला है. तो जो multivitamins का absorption होता है body में, that also happens at a very like बहुत अच्छे से absorption होता है. So in 2 to 3 months, 4 months, you'll start to see your vitamin levels also getting better.
Yeah. And like you already mentioned that you have 2 kids.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me this, being a mother and a founder, it's a very tough job. There are a lot of women out there who want to start something of their own but are hesitant. And sometimes I will also say they don't get the opportunity. They have great ideas, amazing ideas that can change the world around, but they don't. How did you like took this initiative being a founder, and how do you manage, to be very honest, being at home and the business?
फर्स्टली क्योंकि ये जैसे कोविड के टाइम में शुरू हुआ और बच्चों को जैसे वो लोग भी देख रहे थे,
Yeah.
they were also watching us, that we are doing something for them. They were also watching कि मम्मा पापा मिलके कुछ ऐसा बना रहे हैं जिससे कि हमारा we are better nutritious, हमारी meals fortify हो रही हैं with multivitamins and minerals. So I think it was not difficult for me from being a homemaker to coming and taking up this job, because Amar was also very very supportive कि नहीं हम लोगों ने करना है तो हम लोग मिलके ही करेंगे. And kids also, I was so happy कि they also were so excited कि मम्मा आप भी कर रहे हो साथ में, and they also were very happy about it.
Yeah.
And secondly, every time, I always make it a point that, because both my kids go to the school, and by the time they reach home, I make it a point कि मैं घर पे हूँ. So I try to balance both the things.
Okay.
So by the time they're home, in an hour or so maximum, I will be there with them, and I try to spend the time, all the time with them when I'm at home. So I spend all my office. I keep that.
You keep juggling the tasks, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's amazing that how you have, put yourself out there as a founder, how you have presented yourself even at the Shark Tank, and how beautifully you're managing your home as well. It's remarkable, and I completely appreciate your work. And taking this up, tell me that one beautiful customer feedback that you guys got, that first customer feedback that gave you the energy, that think that I can keep doing this, we can keep doing this, and this will boom. So yeah.
I mean, look, customer feedback is the fuel.
Yeah.
And I found that, right? I mean, honestly speaking, the biggest joy in the journey is when you speak to a customer, and
Yeah.
the customer writes to you and talks about the story. There are so many. I mean, you could talk for 2 hours. Perfect that except, but if I were to pick up one or two, I think I will say very recently, a young man gave us a review, and he said that we have been giving good one to his dadi, right?
Ah, okay.
And she must be around 70 years,
Hmm.
etc. He said that she was very weak,
Hmm.
and she would whole day be almost lying on the bed,
Hmm.
because she had no energy,
Hmm.
etc. And because क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जैसे जब पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ओल्ड हो जाते हैं,
हाँ
सर्जिंग
जी।
मोबिलिटी अगर कम हो जाती है, तो दैट ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन देयर मूड एंड द
Hmm.
स्ट्रेस विच हैपेंस, राइट?
Hmm.
बिकॉज सो वो थोड़े ग्रब भी रहने लगते हैं, उनका चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हैं,
Yeah.
इस तो ही सेड कि हमने उनकी अपनी ग्रैंडमदर के खाने में इसको रेगुलरली डालना शुरू कर दिया। एंड क्या हुआ उसकी वजह से कि उनकी एनर्जी, उनका न्यूट्रिशन काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हुआ। तो वो घर में मूव करना स्टार्ट कर दिया उन्होंने। वो जाके किचन से अपने आप पानी लेना शुरू किया,
Yeah.
छोटी-छोटी बातें। बट ही सेड कि उसकी वजह से ही,
Hmm.
बिकॉज़ शी स्टार्टेड टू फील सो एनर्जेटिक, वो घर से बाहर वॉक पे चली गई। सडनली उनका मूड चेंज हो गया। कहते हैं पूरे घर का मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर ही चेंज हो गया। राइट? एंड देन ही सेड कि थैंक यू सो मच
Yeah.
or not just helping improve our energy but changing our life.
Wow.
But suddenly
Because she had to, live with that body and she had to survive with that mobility issues. Yeah.
and that's something which suddenly when it improves, right, it is not only for that person, it actually impacts everybody who's around them also,
Yeah.
right? So I think that was very I mean that's probably the first time when we realized ki the amount of responsibility we have,
Yeah.
right? That you're not just trying to help one person but you know किसी का पॉजिटिव होता है तो और 4 लोगों का उसके साथ इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट होता है. So yeah, that was something which was very very
That's remarkable. That's remarkable how you're not just impacting one life, but the entire family. It's beautiful. And if I open one packet of Good Monk, what is like the 3 words that should come in my head when I taste it?
So, Suhani, it's not when you open the packet, it's when you mix it in your food.
Yeah.
Then I think the 3 words which will come to your mind is like invisible,
Yeah.
tasteless, and colorless. Yeah. So the 3 words, which because it seamlessly mixes with any food you're having.
Yeah.
So you don't come to know. It's like smuggling nutrition into your food.
I love that. Smuggling nutrition is my favorite thing that has been talked about.
and I just want to add that ki one of the very interesting things we learned,
Yeah.
and it's again from a consumer feedback
Yeah.
on day one when we were selling this product, right? I mean, the whole story
Yeah.
of the brand was about how as parents, we wanted to smuggle good nutrition into our kids foods and family, etc., etc. But on day one, I still remember we had so many people come up and actually said, अच्छा मैं अपने दादाजी के खाने में डाल सकता हूँ क्या? मैं अपनी दादी के खाने में डाल सकता हूँ ना? यू लाइक यार हमने बच्चों के लिए बनाया, आप दादा दादी डाल सकते हो, पर आपको उनको क्यों, वो तो फसी इतर तो नहीं है.
हाँ.
नहीं सर आपको नहीं पता, जो दादा दादी वो ज़्यादा फसी इतर पीते हैं, राइट? कि बच्चे होते हैं और एक वो होते हैं, क्योंकि एक्चुअली विद दैट एज,
Yeah.
आई मीन
There is a saying कि बच्चा और बूढ़ा एक समान.
and that's something which we never started with
Yeah.
that assumption. And what is very surprising now is that actually the product which is targeting the elderly,
Yeah.
as 50 plus, is actually 70% of the company. Yeah.
Wow.
So that's something which we are very, very pleasantly surprised. And
Yeah.
that's something which we never started with. This is something which the consumers told us. And we just did our job, which is to listen to them. And therefore, we designed the product exclusively for them.
I think it's also because when you are at a certain age where you have the wisdom to understand that I need nutrition in my body. As a kid, you don't.
Yeah.
As a kid, you want chocolates. As a kid, you want snacks, right?
Yeah.
But as you get older, you want to have nutrition, be it from non-veg or if it's from veg, you want nutrition anyhow. Be it you have never eaten non-veg in your entire life, but you'll eat when you get old just for nutrition. And that's amazing what you're doing with this. And taking this interview to our conclusion round, that's the rapid fire. It's my favorite part. So, both of you can answer for this. Ayurveda or modern nutrition, pick one.
We believe that it is about efficacy.
Yeah.
And therefore, if in a situation the efficacy is coming from modern science, I'll pick that. If it is from Ayurveda, I'll pick that. But
Amazing.
efficacy trumps, either of the rules.
Perfect. Okay, so for kids or adults, who do you think needs Good Monk more?
I think it's not kids or adults. It is for everybody. It's
Yeah.
for everybody in the family, adults and kids.
And it impacts the entire family. Yeah. Okay, so water, milk, or smoothie, your favorite way to mix Good Monk with?
I would say it's more about thought. For me, it is more about food.
Okay.
Right? If I'm having dal chawal, rajma chawal, something like that, I prefer to put that in normal times. But during summers, I like to put it in my chas. And you have, so that also.
Though, is it, can we mix it in smoothies, like if somebody's making it?
Yeah, 100%. A lot of people do that.
Okay.
A lot of people do that in the morning.
Yeah.
में उन्होंने smoothie में डाल के पीते हैं. Lots of people do that. In fact, there was a beautiful story. There was this lady from somewhere in West Bengal.
Yeah.
And she wrote to us and said कि मेरे husband के morning smoothie में मैं हमेशा डाल देती हूँ. उनको पता भी नहीं चलता क्योंकि उनको मैंने बहुत बार कोशिश करी वाइट की थी और ये खाने के
Yeah.
कभी नहीं मानते थे वो अब लेकिन इनको मैं डाल के दे देती हूँ. And I can clearly see it improve in his energy.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So, one health myth you wish people would stop believing today.
I think काफी सारे हैं, लेकिन one would say कि लोग कहते हैं कि brown bread is better than white bread.
Oh, I have this myth around my house. Yeah, tell me.
But I think वो भी उतनी ही खराब है जितनी कि एक white bread होती है.
Okay.
Because people don't actually read behind the pack and see कि उसमें मिला क्या हुआ है. And it is also the same amount of मैदा and like 80 से 85% उसमें फिर भी मैदा होगा और वो 15% उसमें आटा डालते हैं और उसको बोलने हैं कि वो brown bread है. So this is like
That's crazy.
yeah.
I have to stop consuming.
That is why, we always ask people, ki, please read behind the pack what is written. You could actually find out what is the nutrition, what are the ingredients going inside the pack.
We should be aware of what you are consuming. Yeah.
And there is a lot of good awareness. There are lots of people, lots of brands which are doing a really good job in terms of trying to tell people to read behind the label, read behind the label. Right? Because I think for a really long period of time, India में जो FMCG industry है, is been very lazy to innovate for maintaining a good balance between taste and health. Right?
Yeah.
You have said कि यार अच्छा टेस्ट देना है सबसे cheaper price पे देना है तो अब मतलब कैसे भी करके दे दो kind of thing, right? And I mean I was on that side, so I understand
Yeah.
what were the mistakes we did. But I think today's consumer has changed. There's a lot more awareness per se, and it's our responsibility, especially for young brands like ours, right? It's our responsibility, and that's why we always say कि हमारा काम सिर्फ न्यूट्रिशन प्रोडक्ट बेचना नहीं है, न्यूट्रिशन को आसान बनाना है फ्रॉम अ प्रोडक्ट पर्सपेक्टिव, बट ऑल्सो एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट न्यूट्रिशन को आसान बनाते हैं, राइट? सो फॉर एवरी पेरेंट, चाहे वो मेट्रो में हो, टियर 1 टियर 2 में, न्यूट्रिशन उनको एक आसान तरीके से समझाना चाहिए हमें. सो वी डू ट्राई टू मेक एन एफर्ट कि जो भी मौका मिले, इन दिस पॉडकास्ट इज अगेन अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी लाइक दैट कि न्यूट्रिशन को आसान तरीके से बताया जाए so that people make the right choices.
And of course, the physical health directly impacts your mental health, and that has been, remarkably explained by you. And bringing this podcast to a conclusion, my final question: one Shark Tank judge's feedback that still rings in your head.
I love that. I have the final word.
Yeah. So this was from Vinita
Yeah.
when we were telling her, like telling all the sharks about the product Good Monk Nutrition makes. Then she could actually very well resonate with the idea because she told me कि आज भी मैं इतना ही स्ट्रगल करती हूँ अपने बच्चे को हेल्दी खाने के लिए, आज भी सुबह मैं रोज 5 बादाम कूट के उनके खाने में डालती हूँ. तो मुझे मालूम है कि एक मदर के लिए कितना मुश्किल है बच्चे को न्यूट्रिशन देना. And that is why she was super excited about the product when she found out this is like easily mixing with your food without changing the color or taste of your food. This is one feedback which is really
Stuck with you.
yeah stuck in my head. And in fact जब हम लोगों ने इनको टेस्ट भी करवाया था, हम लोगों ने सब sharks को टेस्ट करवाया था, all of them, for them we had mixed it in their dal, and none of them could find out कि कौन सी दाल में. We had given them two dal.
Yeah. I saw the picture.
किसी को भी करेक्ट नहीं पता चला कि कौन सी दाल में हमने मिक्स किया हुआ है।
All the best for all the future plans that you have for this, and I hope it reaches to the heights that you have decided for it. And of course, you're giving everybody a good physical and mental health. So congratulations to that. Thank you so much for your time, and it was lovely having you on a podcast.
Thank you. Thank you, man.